Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see about the definition of power and energy. Power, electrical power or power is nothing but a rate of doing work or transferring energy. Definition of a power is rate of doing work or transferring energy. That is energy transferring from one medium to another. So the equation of power can be nothing but rate of change of energy. Power is equal to E by T. This is a power and energy triangle where energy can be represented by product of power into time. Electrical energy can be defined as electrical energy supplies power required to produce a work or an action within an electrical circuit. Electrical energy supplies power in an electrical circuit for a particular amount of time. And we all know the unit of energy is nothing but a joules, right? Unit of energy is nothing but a joules. So power unit can be represented by, where energy is joules, time period can be measured in seconds. So unit of power is joule per second or joule second inverse. The unit of power is joule per second. Electrical energy is nothing but ability of electrical circuit to produce work by using an action. Electrical energy is the ability of an electrical circuit to produce work by creating an action. By doing some action, that electrical energy has been created in an electrical circuit. And we can represent the action in many ways. For example, the electrical energy can be converted into many forms such as thermal energy, electromagnetic energy, mechanical energy, etc. It can be transferred as many forms of energy. By using the laws of conservation of energy, we all know that energy can be neither created nor destroyed. By laws of conservation, energy can be neither created nor destroyed, but it can be converted from one form of energy to the other form of energy. An example, if you take a motor, it converts the mechanical energy input to an electrical energy output, right? Mechanical energy input to an electrical energy output. The conversion has been done here, okay, by doing some action. Again, for similarly, like in generator, electrical energy is taken as an input and the output is mechanical energy. We can take many appliances also. In tube light or in any light, we can take electrical energy is taken as an input and light energy is given as an output. And in fan, electrical energy is taken and mechanical energy is an output, or wind energy is an output. So electrical energy is constituted due to the movement of electrons after by applying a potential difference into it, right? If you want to move a stream of electrons, you have to apply a potential difference. That potential difference and movement of electrons will constitute a electricity in a circuit for a particular amount of time. This is nothing but a electrical energy, right? Electrical energy. E is nothing but electrical energy is ability to do work, capability of doing work. Energy expression can be given by product of power into time. Since power is a rate of change of energy, power can be represented as E by T. In a DC supply, we can say power can be represented by product of applying potential difference into current flowing through the circuit. In a DC supply or a DC energy, power can be represented by product of applied potential difference into the current. It is also the equations of the power. We know that potential difference is nothing but a work done by moving a charge, and current is nothing but a rate of change of charge. If you cancel these charges, we will get the power equation as work done by the time taken. This is the equation of the power which we already derived as energy by time, rate of change of energy, where energy and work are same because energy is nothing but a capability of doing a work. So power is nothing but a rate of change of work or rate of change of energy. The unit of power is joule per second and the unit of power is also watt. Unit of power is also represented as watts. Watt. So Power can be represented or joule per second and watts. 1 joule is nothing but product of 1 watt into 1 second, the produced electrical energy of 1 watt for a time of 1 second. Similarly, 1 watt is nothing but a rate of change of energy per 1 joule to 1 second. Okay, these are the units of electrical energy and power. Unit of electrical energy is joules. Electrical energy is represented in, since power into time, unit of power is watt and time is measured in second. We can measure the electrical energy in watt second, that is kilowatt hour. Since the energy used is for a longer amount of time, we have to represent the electrical energy in kilowatt hour. Not the unit of power is watt and time unit of time is second. We can represent the watt second as kilowatt hour. Watt, the unit of electrical energy is watt hour or kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour can be represented as 1000 watts into hour. To represent an hour in seconds, we have to convert that hour into seconds. 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes, 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. If you multiply that, we will get as 3600 kilowatts. Right? This is the form of an electrical energy in watt second. Another unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. Now let's see about the power triangle. If you remember this power triangle, the formula for power energy could be found very easily. Power is nothing but a product of voltage into the current. If you know any one of the value, we can find the remaining values. So to find the potential difference, P is equal to P divided by I. And if you want to know the current supplied by the power, where I is equal to P divided by V. The unit of power can be measured in watts and potential difference in voltage and current in ampere. Similarly, I have given the energy triangle also. So, energy could be found by product of power into the time taken. Power is equal to energy by time, rate of change of energy. If any one value is known, other remaining values could be found. This is the power triangle and the another one is an energy triangle. By using this triangle, the formula of power and energy could be found very easily.